All right, so we're going to get ready again, coming back off of intermission. And, hey, what the heck? Whoa. Hey, call an ambulance.
Ray, call an ambulance. Call an ambulance.
All right, already. Go ahead and put my food in the microwave. I'm already here on the scene. Okay. Hey, you call for an ambulance?
I did call for an ambulance.
What do you need?
We have a young lady that ate too many corn dogs or something.
Where?
She's right behind you.
Oh, this old gal back here? Oh,
Yeah, that'd be the one.
Oh, she just fell out on you, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, here, help me out, buddy. Give me a hand. Oh, this is super right here. Okay. Okay, shut the door, man. Shut the door. Would you shut the door? Oh, man, this is super. Hey, I'll tell you what, Joe.
What?
I really appreciate the business, buddy.
No, when's the last time you used that thing?
Last night.
I think
It's been a little while.
Yeah. Well,
It's been a while, all the government paperwork, Did
you need
see
to
what
attend
happened
to the
her?
patient. Now, be careful.
Okay, on two. 1 and 2. Okay, lift her up here. Yeah, okay.
You need to be careful with her.
Y'all got a neat little deal going on out here.
Yeah, we do, but you need
yeah.
to take care of this.
Oh, yeah, we'll get her. You know what, Joe?
Hard telling.
You just never can tell where some of these old gals have been. You know what I mean?
No. Wait a minute.
You just cannot be too safe.
Are those welding gloves?
Huh? What?
Are those welding gloves?
Yeah, you got anything any heavier?
Are you sterile?
Joe, I got 2 kids.
I'm talking about the gloves.
Oh, yeah. They've been in the bag all day. Yeah. Okay, let's turn her over here and we'll check her out right quick. Get her all rolled over. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got some stuff to do here, Joe. We got some stuff to do.
No.
Okay, I'm going to check her vitals right quick.
Her what?
Her vitals.
Her vitals, you mean?
I can check them too while I'm here. Okay.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Checking her heart.
That is not how you check her heart.
Sure gets things moving around my house, Joe. What do you use?
I use a rotor-rooter.
I don't think she'd appreciate that very much, Joe.
All right, you got me all confused, buddy.
Well, what do you want me to do?
You need a stethoscope.
I don't have any stepchildren.
A stethoscope.
Both of them are mine. That's what she told me anyway.
You need a stethoscope.
Oh, you mean this thing hanging here on my coat?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I was wondering what that was. That makes a heck of a noise in the dryer, Joe.
Right.
Yeah. So what do you do with it?
All right, you take those 2 ends, you spread them apart, and then stick it in your ear.
Now, you can stick it in your ear, big boy.
No, you stick it in your ears.
Stick it in your ear.
No, you stick it in your ear.
But don't make me come over there,
You
Joe.
come over here, you're going to need an ambulance to go back.
Okay. I'll put them in. Okay. Now I got my minute. Now what I do, Joe?
Stick the other end on her heart.
I see your little mouth moving, but I can't hear you. I got these deals jammed in my ears. What do you do with this?
Stick it on her heart.
Oh, well, why didn't you just say that, Joe?
What is wrong with you?
It's too early to tell. I swallowed a bug. You got any water?
No, sir.
I'll just let him walk down. Oh, man, that woman's got terrible carburetor trouble.
Why'd you say that?
I can smell gas really bad, dude. Hey, you know what, Joe?
What's that?
This is a lot worse than I
Anticipated.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I need to do.
Yeah.
I need to go ahead and call ahead to the horse pistol.
The hospital.
I can call them too. I have unlimited minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we can find out exactly what we need to do.
Yes.
I'll get her loaded up and we'll be out of here like a smashed cat.
Yes.
Oh, hey, come here, buddy. This is our last night here. Let's take a selfie. Okay. What's your number? I'll send it to you. Oh, I'll get that later.
Gizmo, take care of the
patient.
patient.
Would you mind just kind of turning her back over? I got some very important stuff to do. Okay. Hey, you know the number to 911?
Yes, it's 9
9
1
1.
1.
I done pushed the 1.
Push it again.
I don't have it again.
Push the same one
I
again.
don't have the same one. I just got the 1. I don't have another one, Joe. I just got the
Push
one.
the
there.
one
I done
again.
Push the 1 there.
Push.
Hello. I need to talk to Dr. Phil. Yeah. I'll tell you what. Yeah, we're out here at the big mission. Ah, what are you doing, you big goober? Oh, dear. This is pitiful, man. I finally get a suspect, and look how he treats her.
You mean a patient.
I am trying to be patient, okay? You just rotate the tires on the car or something. You've been plenty of help.
All right, just be
dear.
careful with her.
Get up here. Holy cow.
Just be.
Okay. She's been over there at the barbecue stand, I'm telling you. Okay.
Just be
I mean,
careful.
for a little gal, she's solid, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. What a cow.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Gonna make sure she's good here. Oh, man. Where were we?
You were talking to the hospital on the phone.
Yeah. They said I need to give her a distant anesthesia.
You mean a local anesthesia?
I don't know. She's from around here. Okay. I'll fix her up right here. It won't take long. Okay. Swing.
Oh, no. No, wait. Whoa.
I'll call you back later. Oh, man.
What is that?
This right here?
Yeah.
That's my distant anesthesia applicator. Yeah. I got me some medicine here from the government, Joe.
Oh, that's helpful.
Yep.
What's in that?
Medicine from the government.
Yeah. What's in it?
What's in it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what's in it. They don't know what's in it neither. We're just supposed to take a little shot of it and sit in the dark. Oh, dear. Oh, great. Okay. Hey, it says right there on the bottle something, Joe.
What's that?
Here. It says right here that you can take just a little bit of this here medicine
Right.
and rub it on a mare's belly, and it will help that mare to pass her colt. That ain't nothing, folks. Me and old Scooter there, we took just a tiny little bit of this stuff, and we rubbed it on the kitty cat's rear end, and he passed the motorcycle. He was out of there, buddy.
Would you take care of the patient, please?
Okay, yeah. Easy. Okay, all right. Now get her loosened up here, okay?
All right. Whoa. You need to go slowly. That's a lot of medicine.
Well, you need to say that faster. We're already dead here. Was her eyes crossed when she come in here?
No.
Well, whatever. Well, she's a tough little hide, I'm telling you. Whoa, hey! He'll be all right. You know, I never could understand why they sterilized the needles for lethal injection anyway, you know what I mean? Sure don't want to get them infected now, do we?
No, we don't. We really need to get her to the hospital, though.
Hey, why don't we go ahead and finish her up outside?
That's a great idea.
Okay. All righty. Okay. Here we go. We're going to put her in feet first, Joe.
Why's that?
That way she'll get there before we do.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, get her in there. All right. Okay, dear. Get right over there. We'll get her started on a PV right away, Joe.
Be careful.
We'll get her started on PV.
IV.
Huh?
IV.
You need one, too?
No. Now what?
You know, Joe, I was a little tied up in my work there.
Yeah?
But it appears that evidently, it seems that the young man must have had his hand right along in there when I shut the door. You're not having a very good night, are you, buddy?
Yeah.
Why don't you go ahead and clear the gate, and I'll take it from here.
Yeah, we need to get this patient to the hospital.
Okay, you guys just play a little music or something there. I'll be, oh, lady, turn loose of that.
All right.
Oh, dear.
Let's do it.
Watch out now. Oh, this is deep.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together once again for Gizmo McCracken.